Welcome to William and Mary Law School. We hope you will have a chance to visit in person, but we're glad you've decided to take this online tour. William and Mary is the oldest law school in the United States, founded in 1779 at the urging of Thomas Jefferson. Also known as the Marshall-Wythe School of Law, the school is named in honor of George Wythe, William and Mary's and the nation's first professor of law, and John Marshall, who as Chief Justice of the Supreme Court would lay the foundations of American constitutional law. Following in their considerable footsteps today is a dedicated faculty that is personally invested in each student's education and success. Led by the Dean of William and Mary Law School, renowned legal historian Davison M. Douglas, our professors are nationally and internationally recognized experts in many fields of law. We also boast an impressive adjunct professorship made up of practicing lawyers and public officials with decades of hands-on experience. Like George Wythe more than 200 years ago, our faculty helps set the citizen lawyer standard, proving by example that good lawyers are vitally engaged in the life of the local community, state, nation, and world. Within the walls of William and Mary Law School, that sense of engagement begins just inside the front entrance, where comfortable furniture, grouped into various seating areas, make the law school lobby a wonderful place to study, socialize, and relax. The main entrances to the library, courtroom, north wing, and main classroom wing all stem from here, making the lobby a popular gathering place. In order to maintain a personal atmosphere, we try to keep the entering class size to approximately 200 students. Of the law school's roughly 640 students, most are J.D. candidates, though a number of international students pursue an LLM degree. We also offer 3 joint degree programs, the J.D. in Master of Business Administration, the J.D. in Master of Public Policy, and the J.D. in Master of Arts in American Studies. Just beyond the lobby is the McLaughlin Courtroom, home of the Center for Legal and Court Technology. The courtroom is the most technically advanced educational trial and appellate courtroom in the world, and its capabilities include multiple evidence presentation technologies, advanced video conferencing software, real-time stenograph and voice writing technology, automatic translation into dozens of languages, and much more. Our students use the courtroom for mock trials and oral arguments, trial advocacy, and other specialized classes. We are now moving into the north wing of the law school, which contains smaller classrooms and offices. William and Mary was the first institution in the country to establish an honor code, a tradition we proudly continue today. Students are permitted to take most exams during their scheduled times anywhere in the law school, including these classrooms and the Wolf Law Library. On the second floor is the office of the Institute of Bill of Rights Law, which sponsors conferences and symposia on constitutional law issues and hosts the annual Supreme Court Preview. The Institute's director serves as faculty advisor for the Bill of Rights Journal, one of our 5 highly ranked student-edited journals. The other 4 are the Environmental Law and Policy Review, the Journal of Women and the Law, the Business Law Review, and the oldest, the William and Mary Law Review. First-year students interested in any of these journals can compete for a position by participating in the writing competition immediately following spring exams. Down the hall is the Office of the Legal Practice Program. During this required 3-semester course of study, students work in small classes with a member of the legal writing faculty, a practicing attorney, a teaching assistant, and law librarians. In the first year, you would concentrate on objective and persuasive writing, as well as other practical skills necessary for successful law practice. In the second year, you choose a specialized upper-level course of study, such as criminal or civil practice or appellate advocacy. The Office of Career Services, or OCS, is farther down the hallway. OCS provides all tools needed to seek summer or permanent employment and judicial clerkships. The OCS staff coordinates on-campus interviews, offers individual career counseling, organizes special programs and workshops, and helps students contact employers directly. OCS also uses an online job posting and interviewing system, allowing students to remotely apply for and schedule their own interviews. Our proximity to larger cities such as Norfolk, Richmond, and Washington, D.C. presents opportunities to gain credit for externships during both the school year and the summer with law firms, courts, government, and nonprofit organizations. The International Programs Office is also located on the second floor and offers numerous opportunities for international study, including the Madrid Summer Program, semester abroad programs in Austria, China, Hong Kong, Japan, Luxembourg, New Zealand, and Spain, and LLM program admissions. Upstairs in the main faculty wing, you will find that faculty have an open door policy and are highly accessible. Our professors encourage student visits throughout the day and are known to have dinner and hold classes in their homes. Back downstairs, let's take a look at room 119, one of our large lecture rooms. The JD program curriculum consists of the legal practice program and 6 required first-year courses. Second and third-year students are able to design individualized programs of study by choosing courses from more than 100 electives per semester. We also have a number of clinics to choose from: appellate and Supreme Court, domestic violence, elder law, family law, federal tax, the Innocence Project, special education advocacy, veterans benefits, and Virginia coastal policy. Off the main classroom hallway is the student lounge, which houses Greenberry's Cafe, a coffee and sandwich shop. Just outside is a patio where the law community can eat, study, and socialize for most of the year thanks to Williamsburg's mild climate. Around the corner from the lounge, bulletin boards highlight many law school activities. The Student Bar Association is the umbrella organization for all student-organized activities and sponsors social events such as the Orientation Picnic, the Black Tie Barristers Ball, and Ski Trip. There's an amazing array of organizations at William & Mary and plenty of opportunities to get involved. Now let's enter the Wolf Law Library. William & Mary students can access the law school building, including the library, using their student ID cards 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. At the circulation desk, in addition to borrowing materials from the collection, students can check out study aids, class reading assignments, and even DVDs from a huge popular film collection. The library offers many options for study space, including lounges, carrels, tables, and group study rooms. Past the East Lounge are the librarians' offices. Several of our librarians have law degrees and teach legal research through the legal practice program. Advanced research courses are also offered. The librarians have created numerous legal research guides and specialized career bibliographies for our students. The Rare Book Room, a real treasure of the law school, is located across from the librarians' offices. You can see many amazing documents and objects here, including the school's official mace, John Marshall's family Bible, a complaint written by George Wythe, and books dating back to the 16th century. The lower level of the library houses the bound journal collection, computer labs, a lounge complete with pool table and ping pong table, and the law journal offices. Williamsburg is located 150 miles south of Washington, D.C., in the Tidewater region of Virginia. It's a friendly college town with lots to do thanks to visitors from around the world, drawn to colonial Williamsburg and nearby historic sites Jamestown and Yorktown. We enjoy all 4 seasons and a low cost of living. Many law students participate in intramural sports and often use the campus recreation center, which has a swimming pool, climbing wall, racquetball courts, and smoothie bar. Approximately 20% of our students live in the graduate apartment complex next to the law school. The complex offers furnished 2-, 3-, and 4-bedroom apartments, and rent includes all utilities, including cable TV and high-speed internet. If you prefer to live off campus, you can choose from a variety of apartment complexes, condominiums, and houses in the Williamsburg area. This brings us to the end of the online tour. We want to thank you again for your interest in William & Mary Law School. If you have questions, please contact the Law School Admission Office and we will be happy to assist you. You can reach us by phone at 757-221-3785 or by email at lawadm@wm.edu. Visit other sections of the William & Mary Law School website for more information.